Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial of how to make your own COVID-19 medication. My name is Joshua and I will be guiding you through this tutorial. The world was expecting that people died too much in Africa, but they are a bit confused. Now in this video I'll show you what medication Africans are using to fight COVID-19. This is a very simple medication, but it's very strong and powerful. It's natural. It has nothing to do with chemical things. No, it's just something natural. It uses only three simple things. It uses lemon, garlic, and ginger. Only these three things. Is very good, this medication. It's helped many African people to be alive today. It does not have a side effect. It does not have a dose problem. It's simple, just like the way you drink water, the way you drink your coffee in the morning, the way you drink your tea. That's how simple it is. It's very simple but very strong, and the earlier you start using it, the better it's gonna help you. It's gonna prevent COVID-19 from attacking you. You see, so the earlier you start using it, the better. Because if your sickness is at early stage, it's gonna fight for you much better compared to if it's at late stage. That's why it is better for you to start using it once a day in the morning. You drink it. You drink maybe 200 millimeters of this formula, and then it's going to help you a lot. Now let me show you how to do it. It's very simple. We're going to use 250 millimeters of water, and we are going to boil it until it's going to drop to 150 millimeters. So for 250 millimeters of water, you're going to use half of a lemon. This lemon, you see, I'll split it by 2. I'll split it by 2. I'll use 1. This is what I'll use. And then for garlic, I'll only use 1 piece. I'll only use 1 piece, so I don't need to cut this full one. I'll just get one that I have here. I'll remove one on this one that I have. You see, I remove one. I'll use this garlic. And for ginger, this is too big. You see, this is too big. I will only need this much. I'll cut this. This is what I'll use. I'll use this. Okay. The first thing that you need to do, let me go wash them. I'll come back now. You've been washed. For lemon, you don't need to do anything. You put it there. I'll stop the video for this not to take long. You see, I peel it. For garlic, I peel it. I remove this. Put it away. I save this, and then I cut it in pieces. Cut it like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you strip the skin, you peel it, and then you cut it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. The same thing for ginger. You see, you peel it, peel it, keep on peeling it. Once you peel it, you remove that, put it there. became like this. After peeling it, it became like this, and then you cut it in pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can even cut the bigger one. You can cut it, divide by 2, divide it again. Yeah. So you have your ginger, garlic, and then for lemon, you don't need to peel it. Don't peel a lemon. You see, don't strip the skin. Just cut it by, divide it by, it was half a lemon, you divide it by 2, and then you cut it again. You can cut it by, you can divide it, you can cut it in piece of 4. Piece of 4. Okay, this is your lemon, this is your ginger, this is your garlic, and then I need to take my pot. So this will help me to measure the quantity of water. If you see there, I put 250. This is 200 millimeters. 250 somewhere in the middle. 300 millimeters. So I put it somewhere there. So 250 millimeters of water. So what I need to do, I open my pot. You see, I put my lemon inside. I put my ginger inside. I put my garlic inside, and 250 millimeters of water. I put it there, and I cover, and then I'll put it to the stove so that it can boil for, let us say, 20 minutes. You see, if you see that it's ready, it boiled enough, and then you can see that it's ready. You can even test it to see that now the mix is working well. You see, so I'll put it on the stove. I'll put it on the stove for 20 minutes. I'll pause the video so that after 20 minutes we'll see how good it's gonna be. Let me go put in the stove. So this medication is very simple, but is very strong. It's helped many people. So I'll advise you to also use it. Let us wait when it's gonna boil, and then you're gonna see how it's gonna look like. So let us pause our video for now. We put it in the oven and it's boiling. You can see how it's boiling. Now I think it's something like 10 minutes already. It's boiling. You see? It's boiling. I can even smell that it's working already. It's boiling. Give it time to boil. It's boiled. You can even use a spoon. Mix it. Give it time to boil until water will drop to, because we put 250 millimeters of water. Let it boil until the water will drop to 150 millimeters of water, and then we'll drink it. Let us pause our video again until it's gonna boil. You see, it's boiling. Close it and leave it boil. Now it boiled for 20 minutes, and you can see the water dropped. So now what you need to do, we need to pour it in our cup and then drink. So switch off the stove. It's really boiled for 20 minutes, and then like you can see the water dropped from 250. Now I can see something like 150 millimeters, and then I'll take that, I'll pour it in the cup. See how it looks now? You may wait for it to cool a bit, or you may drink it the way it is. I will drink it like this. So this is our medication now. It's almost 150 millimeters, and then we're gonna drink it. Yes, I can feel it now. It's really working. I can really feel it's working. So this thing worked for many Africans. That's why the world is surprised why African are not dying. They are confused. These very simple things, it's helped many Africans. So to everyone around the world who's suffering of COVID-19, please, you're not alone, and then don't give up. Don't give up. Keep on fighting. Try this formula, and then it's gonna work for you. But don't give up. Don't give up. Life is a wonderful gift from God, so we need to enjoy it. Don't just give up so easily. Fight for your life, and everything is gonna be okay. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in another tutorial. And be nice to one another. And bye.